Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of quick ways to boost your following organically. They're very simple and hopefully there's something you've already thought of, but if not, here we go. This one's actually a new feature courtesy of Facebook. If you hover over your three little dots here on your Facebook page and come down to invite your friends, currently they have a select all option and you have the opportunity to invite everybody all at one time, and that's brand new. Hopefully this will get you together enough social media influencers that you can start making some real noise on the internet. For the next piece, I'm going to switch pages. This is a page that's brand new, so all of the reach that they're getting are new clients. So these are people who aren't already following the super discounts. So for this tutorial, what I want you to do is find a post that has likes, for example, this one, and click on the likes. The next thing you can do is just scroll on down and prospect these likes, invite, invite, invite. I'm going to leave a couple of these to click just in case this video turns out bad. But that's all. Just roll through your Facebook page in the daytime when you first get to work and scroll through your comments and your posts and see if there's any new likes. And you just invite these folks to like your page. And that's going to very quickly grow your presence. If you look up here, I just sent out the notification for Mama Brianna, and we have a couple of new followers already. 1, 2, 3, and it's only been 45 seconds. So that's a really great way to make some noise on the internet. Thanks for paying attention, and I hope you have a great day. Oh, look, there's another one. You can't see it popping in because it's coming in outside of the screen. But thank you, and have a good day.